Client, listen. Madam. We're almost ready. So you take off this wrapper and lie down here. Let's start. Okay? Please excuse me.
Wait. She will take off what?
Then she took off the wrapper and lie on the table. You excuse us.
She will take off the wrapper and lie on the table, then I will excuse you.
Yes.
To do what?
Okay. Did you explain to your husband? Okay, this is deep tissue massage.
Deep tissue massage kill you there.
How, Chim?
You ask my wife to take off, she's completely naked already. You still want her to get rid of this, then lie down and do your work. What do I then say?
Babe, you know, so we agree. Now you they push me, say I can't do massage. Now I've come, now you have started.
Oh, so you don't become cry because I allow you may come to massage.
No, be say I do. Allow the man to.
Don't man to do your work.
Will you get your hands off my wife? I'm talking to you and say you want to
start to do your work. I don't understand.
Okay, sorry, is there a problem? This is my profession.
This is your profession.
It's deep tissue massage.
The way you are able to pronounce it is deep. Is something in your throat or what?
It's professionalism.
Professionalism.
That's how we do this thing. I will start from the diabolical aspect. Then I will come to just spread the legs. And then
you go on, you do what?
I will spread the legs.
You spread which leg?
No, so that the joints, the ankle, all this, the other side.
I don't understand. Where is your hand going? Because you are saying spread leg and your hand is going up and down. So,
okay,
I don't understand.
Okay. This is my
allow
job.
him now.
Thank you.
Go to Palo and wait us. We are coming.
Jesus.
Don't go.
This is
okay. See.
Her session has started.
It doesn't matter. Your money will be paid. No wahala. If I will not be here when the massage is going to take place, I think there's no need for it.
Okay, this is profession. You cannot stand and change my job. This is what I've been doing for the past 12 years.
I understand.
Okay, please, you have to excuse us. This is my client. And her satisfaction, I mean, her comfort is my priority.
There was a line used, what satisfaction?
Comfort, I mean, satisfaction for body tissues.
See.
I must do this massage.
I understand.
Hey,
I'm talking, you're saying, Ben works. You must do what massage. Let's go, I will massage you today. I will watch every video I need to watch online to learn how to do this massage.
So you don't know how to do it.
Exactly.
No.
Listen, I have some magic arms. Magic arms.
Can you speak like this?
Thank you.
Can you speak like this?
Oh, so it's about the speaking, right?
It's not. This is magic horns.
Magic horns.
Hey,
if you touch my wife, if you touch my wife, heaven will touch the earth this afternoon. Honey, go back inside. You're dressing up. We are leaving here.
I'm not going anywhere.
She needs it like as much as I do. I will just start from the diabolical.
Can you move this way, please?
Babe, let me ask you. What do you see you're dragging? Can you finish this thing? I want to do massage. Can you finish it?
My dear, he can't.
You are dragging all these things. Do massage. No. Can you finish it?
Thunder from your village relocate you now.
Allow me to do my massage.
What massage?
Go to that side and wait.
I have hands.
Okay, Oga. Let it not be like I don't want to help. I will collect half the price. Just wait.
I'm no longer interested. Even if you not collect a penny, you're not massaging anything again.
Why are you spoiling? Why? This is a customer masseuse relationship. Why are you spoiling it?
Wait. Have you massaged her before? Let me ask. I don't understand what is happening here.
It's the first time. Yes. I cannot allow me to enjoy it.
Wait.
My body is paining me.
I think I will massage you. No, be me say when you come here.
I don't know how to do it. There is
okay, all right. You can sit here and just look.
I'm not even longer interested. Even whether I'm here or I'm not here, this massage session has ended.
You don't know what she's missing.
It's
interior massage.
Yes. The voice.
Yes. Interior massage.
How, Chim? Jesus.
If you touch her with this thing, do you know how much I paid? Do you know the stretch it took me to go to a village and pay for all? I saw something. I want to see what I saw that took me to the village. And you're like, hush.
Oh, yeah, think about this.
Think about what? Go inside.
I will not pay money again.
I don't need your service. Honey, get inside.
I'm not going.
See, if I slap you, you will let her pass me now. Will you get inside and guess what?
You can come back on Tuesday.
Come back on which Tuesday? I don't even trust any of your people. I have to go there with her. Look at him. They love it.
I massage men.
You are an idiot. Massage yourself. Brown will give no massage here.
Sorry.
You want to massage? You don't see who you want massage. They love it.
It's just a job I'm doing. It's just my job. Oh, yeah, let me pay and massage her. Now, they used to pay me. Let me pay this one. Madam, Oga, please now. Oga.